Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give decimal numbers, and then it will convert into binary equivalent using JavaScript programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for always supporting my channel by watching my videos, sharing, likes, dislikes, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. By the way, I will inform everyone that I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this program. We will just have a walkthrough, no? So how the code works, no? So basically I'm using Sublime, no, as my text editor. We have here a series of HTML tags. The title will be convert decimal to binary using JavaScript, and then we have here CSS style or cascading style sheet, box sizing, border box, and then we have here the body with several values, no, and properties. And then we have the form, header 1 and header 2, text align center, header 1, text transform uppercase, convert to uppercase, margin button 5px, font size 30px, header 2, we have your margin button, no? 20px, color, font size, font weight, and then we have label, and then inputs, button, and output. Now here, we have the body and action post. And then header 1, convert decimal to binary using JavaScript, written by yours truly, JR Pomperada, MIT. And then in this line of code, we are asking the user to give a number to convert that will be stored in our variable text number name or ID name. Okay, so we have here the button to hide, no, to convert. Now for the script in JavaScript, we are using here document query selector form on submit A. Let the number parse int. We convert it because normally the selector text number is a string, so we have to convert. So there is a built-in function called parse int to convert any string value into integer format, and then you have the output here. To convert into binary format the result number to string 2, and then class list, remove hidden, output inner binary value result display. And then we close the script of JavaScript and then the body in HTML. Okay, so don't worry because I will put the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us go with our browser. In this case, we will be using Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. So convert decimal to binary using JavaScript. JR Pomperada, MIT, give a number to convert. Let's say we have 200. When I click the convert button, we have here the equivalent 11000100. Okay, that is the first example. Let's say we have 10, we have 1010, and then we have 20, at 200 rather, we have series of values here 1100 1000. Okay, in this last example we have 4, we have 100. Okay, so okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. Okay, so let's say we will find online solutions here. Okay, so that we can compare, no, this multi-binary. Let's say 500, we have here the result, and then in this case we have 500 here. Let us compare, no? Okay, 1, 2, okay, we have the same, no? We have, let's say we have 2 in rapid tables, we have 10, and then we have 2. We are expecting also the binary is 10. Okay, so when we convert the two output, they have perfectly the same result. So we can conclude that our program is perfectly running, and then the result is correct. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video guys on decimal to binary using JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.